Hi, welcome to Intervie.com. Intervie.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to Intervie.com and you can post your resume. Here in this video, I'm going to give you a list of 75 core Java interview questions. The idea here is to start off for your interview preparation, Java interview preparation. You can use these interview questions and it will be really helpful for you. It will be like a guide for you. Okay, let's see the questions. 75 core Java interview questions. Can Java thread object invoke start method twice? No, you will be getting an illegal thread state exception. Okay, give the list of Java object class methods like wait, notify. There are a lot of methods in the object class or in the Java object class. Can we call a servlet destroy from service? Can we override a static method? You cannot override a static method because overriding concept only applies to the method instance method, not at the static method or at the class level. Can you list serialization interface methods? Actually, it's a tricky question. There are no methods under serializable interface. It's just a marker interface. It just tells you that this method, this object is going to be serialized, used for serialization. What is the difference between super and this? This is current instance, super is the parent constructor. How to prevent a method from being overridden? You can mark the method as final so that the child class cannot give an implementation for the parent method. Can we create abstract class without any abstract methods? Surely, of course, you can do that. Explain private, protected, public methods. Can we have static methods in interface? What is transient variable? Very important Java interview question. Transient variables. A variable that is marked as transient will skip the process of serialization. I want to repeat this. A variable that is marked as transient will skip the process of serialization. In case there is written at the end of try block, will execute finally block? Yes, finally block will always execute. I want to repeat this. Finally block will always execute except one condition, system.exit. Okay, finally block will override. It will dominate the return statement and it will dominate any exceptions. Okay, what is abstract class or abstract method? What is the default value for boolean? When to use linked list and array list? Linked list is like whenever you have insertion, deletion in between in the collection, you can use linked list. Array list is for smooth iteration. What is a daemon thread? Daemon thread is a low priority thread. I can give you an example. Garbage collection thread is a low priority daemon thread. Does each thread in Java use a separate stack? Yes, they use separate stack. If you start a thread, you can see in the debugging section it will start another thread. What is the difference between enumeration and iterator? Does system.exit in try block executes finally block? Whenever system.exit is called, the JVM will shut down. Okay, so the finally block, the statements inside the finally block will not be executed. What is fail fast in Java? Explain. What is finalize method? Very important Java interview question. In Java are true and false keywords. What is the purpose of garbage collection? Garbage collection is like unreachable objects, collecting the unreachable objects from the heap memory so that those memory can be reused. Okay, it cannot be forced. Garbage collection, we can't force it, but it's under the control of JVM. What are the types of result set? What is the difference between wait and sleep methods in Java? Wait does not hold the lock. Sleep methods hold the lock of an object, so there is a performance it in sleep. What is servlet context? What happens if one of the members in a class does not implement serializable interface? What is race condition? How to get current time in milliseconds? Can you convert map to list, strict FTP, system.out in Java? What is static import? Java static imports. It's like you can import at the top and you can use those variables inside your application. I have created a video for this. You can search and check that video. When to use string and string buffer? String is immutable, so there is a performance hit when you use string. There are a lot of concatenations. Whereas string buffer, it's like good for improving your performance. String buffer and string builder. What is wrapper class in Java? Iterator class. What is Java class path? Can a class in Java be marked as private? Is null a keyword in Java? No. What is the initial state of a thread when it is started? Runnable. It's not running state, it is runnable. It is up to the thread scheduler. Okay, it will whether to put this thread from runnable to running, or it's up to the event scheduler. What is the superclass of exception and error throwable? What is class dot for name? This is used in the reflection concept in Java. Can interface be final? What is the difference between exception and error? Exception is like you can, whenever you can recover from any problem, then you can use exception. Whenever you can't recover from any problem, that is error. What is the default value of a local variables? What is local class in Java? Can we initialize uninitialized final variables? Can we declare abstract methods in as final? Can we have finally block without catch block? Yes. What is pass by value and pass by reference? Very important Java entry question. It's a little bit confusing whether it's pass by value or pass by reference. Can we declare main method as private? What is the difference between preemptive scheduling? Can non-static member class have static members? What are the environments variable do we need to set to run Java? Can you serialize static fields of a class? Where can we use serialization? What is the difference between static synchronized and synchronized methods? The synchronization applied at the static method level called static synchronization. Synchronization applied at the instance method called synchronized methods. So the lock will be obtained at the class level, and the lock will be obtained here at the object level. Okay. So the 61st question is very important, so please focus on that. What is the order of catch blocks when catching more than one exception? The base class should be at the end, and the child class should be the child class should be at the top. What is hash code? What is the difference between hash table and hash map? Difference between break, continue, and return statements, while and do while statements, how to create and start a thread. Can I extend a final class in Java? Explain volatile keyword in Java. Can we catch runtime exception? What is checked and unchecked exception? When to make a constructor private and why? The idea for making this video is just to give a guidance. Okay, these questions just like a reference. You can take these questions and you can start preparing. It will help you to prepare for your Java interview. Thank you, and all the best for your future interview. Thank you.